In this video, we are going to study an important property, or some people say an important law based on the concept of binary operation. There are some important laws in binary operation, and on these laws we will have questions in our CBSE exams and other board exams also. So we have to pay very much attention to these. Let's see what is the first law. The first law is commutative law. I have written it as commutativity. Now let's read what it has to say. A binary operation star. A binary operation is represented as star on a set S is said to be commutative if A star B is equal to B star A for all AB belongs to S. What is S? S is a set. We have different elements of the set A and B, and the commutativity property is such that A star B is equal to B star A. Now what does it actually mean? Let's see with the help of some examples. I have a set of natural numbers. So natural numbers, that means I have n, and now I want to see whether plus operation is commutative on n. So plus is dash on n. I leave the blank to us only after solving. Is it commutative or not? Okay. Suppose we have two numbers a and b belonging to the set of natural numbers where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Now we have to check about which operation? Plus operation. What is a plus b? A plus b is 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this is one answer which is obtained. Now what about, this was a star b, that means a plus b. What about b star a? B star a means b plus a. What is b? B is 2. What is a? A is 1. So 2 plus 1 means 3. What do we notice? We notice that we have both the answers as same, that is 3 only. So it means that a star b is equal to b star a for which operation? For plus. On what kind of numbers? On natural numbers. That means we can say that plus is what? Plus is commutative. Plus is commutative on n. So you get that? That means what? That means that if I have some operations, I can always check whether they are commutative or not. Now, moving on to this category only of natural numbers, if I tell you that you have to do something else and you have to check the category negative. Suppose I am being asked to check about negative on, say, z. Negative on z means negative on integers. Now if I have some integers, what is a star b? A star b is a minus b, right? Some answer would be obtained. Now if I have to check commutativity, I have to also check b star a. What is b star a? B star a is nothing but b minus a. Now is a minus b equal to b minus a? Let's see, b minus a can be written something else also. What can b minus a be written as? We can take common minus, then we have a minus b. So a star b is actually equal to minus of b star a, but we were not supposed to take minus, we were supposed to take exactly equal to, which is not the case. So I can say that on z, that is on integers set, the minus symbol or the minus operation is not commutative. So minus is not commutative on z. So here is one result, minus is not commutative on z, and here was the first result that yes, plus is commutative on n. So in this video we saw what do you mean by commutativity, which is a star b is equal to b star a. That means the order is immaterial. If you take first element and then second, you apply the operation, or you take second element and then first and you apply the operation, the answer should be same if it is commutative. In the first example, we saw the example of what is commutative, while in the second we saw how some things are not commutative. One work problem can also be given as if natural numbers only. Now we don't have plus, rather we have multiplication. So multiplication operation on natural numbers, is it commutative or not? Easy to explain that A star B would be AB and B star A would be BA, and you know 2 multiplied by 3 is also 6, 3 multiplied by 2 is also 6. That means BA is equal to AB only. So multiplication operation on n on natural numbers is what? Is commutative always, right? So commutativity can be explained easily by considering different domains, different examples. In the next video, we'll be seeing some more insights to binary operation.